In this video, I'll show you how to make AI YouTube videos using ChatGPT and Descript Storyboard. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, let's get into the point. We're going to be using ChatGPT, revolutionary. You can use it to write your scripts, and that's what we're going to do as our first step. So, write a YouTube script on 5 best places to visit in Kenya. So I'm in Kenya. Makes sense to write a YouTube scripts on 5 best places to visit in Kenya. Maybe you want to create a faceless YouTube video for somebody, or maybe to inform people who are going to be visiting your country. So let's enter and let's have ChatGPT give us a script that we can use as our baseline. So hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are counting down to the top 5 places you need to visit on your trip to Kenya. From stunning natural landscapes to vibrant cities and rich cultural experiences, Kenya has something for everyone. So let's get started. It looks really good, and you can see that we have number 5 on our list is Masai Mara. Number 4 is the city of Nairobi. Number 3, Mombasa. It's the coast, looks good. Number 2, Mount Kenya. And everything that we're seeing here looks really, really good. So we've got now number 1 is the Great Rift Valley, where we've got a ton of things that you can see. Lots of lakes, Lake Baringo, Lake Bogoria, Lake Elementaita, Lake Nakuru, and so on and so forth. So all these are places that you'd probably want to showcase to people. So what we're going to do, we're actually going to copy this whole script as it is. Just copy, and then we're going to open up Descript. So Descript Storyboard is really, really awesome, and we're going to create a new project. And once we click on that, it's going to open up a new page for us to work on. So we've got this page, and we're going to click on Start Writing. The reason why we're going to click on Start Writing is because we want to use the stock voices right inside Descript. So I'm going to paste my script right inside there, and you'll see how it looks like. It looks good, and you can do whatever you want. But now, once we paste our script, we don't have any voiceover down here. So what we can do from here, we can click on this speaker icon, and then we can use stock voices. If you have created a voice using the overdub feature that allows you to clone your voice, you can also use your voice. But for this, we might try and look at what we can use. So there are a couple of voices here, so we can listen through.
Life is like a camera. Just focus on what.
So that's Dawn.
Life is like a camera. Just focus on.
That's Emily.
Life is like a camera.
Let's see Malcolm.
Life is like a camera. Just focus on what's important.
Let's assume you want to use Malcolm, but we have another couple of voices here that you can test out and see. Some of them, for example, Dawn has like a feeling. You can add maybe angry Dawn, so that you create a particular emotion in a particular section of a script. But let's say we go with Dawn, and once Dawn is selected, we should have some progress down here where we'll start the overdub feature will start kicking in, so that we can actually create an audio file for us. So you can see some few cuttings here. It's downloading media, 2.7 MB remaining, because it's already generating our audio, and it's still going on. And you can zoom out to see how everything looks like. Let's see where we are at, and I believe we should be done with that. So if I actually play this.
Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5.
You've probably had some of the videos like that on YouTube. Now, sometimes they may not be the best, but you may need to do some few fine-tuning right inside here. So the next thing that we're going to do is now get out of the write mode and go to the correct mode. And this is where we're going to do everything that we need to do. So we can come here and then say we want the video to be in landscape. And once we do that, what we're going to do now is we're going to make sure that we can add media to this. So we're going to use the stock library inside Descript Storyboard. So go to videos, and then from here we can type maybe something like Safari, if you're coming for safari. Those are the different things that you may want to do. Now, your internet connection may be a little bit better than mine, so your videos may load a little bit faster. You can scan through or hover over any of these to see what awaits you. But let's say we just pick, I just want to see what we can use. Let's actually use an image. Let's say we want a stock photo for Safari, maybe something that is actually, we go with this one. So we can actually add this. Now let's actually escape, because the one thing that we might need to do is we might need to add something called scenes. So we can add this here, and that's a new scene. We can add this here. You can also click on the / key to add different scenes. And what this does is that it creates like sectioning of these particular steps that we have right here. And let's just keep going, because it helps us speed up our process in everything that we're doing. So what ChatGPT did for us is that it just gave us a quick breakdown. And the good thing is that it actually paragraphed our places to visit in Kenya into different options here. So we can go for this one, this first script here, or scene in this section, and then go back to images. Let's say we want to use this one. Looks good right there. We can see how it looks like once it's done. So here it is. We can actually expand it to fill this particular section, and then you can add a title. Let's say we can actually make it caps: best places to visit in Kenya. And then we can reduce the size to maybe something like let's say something like that. So that looks good. Can actually position it somewhere, let's say maybe here, and then we can actually decide to go with Roboto Bold. Looks a little bit better. And then we can actually go back and then play.
Hello and welcome to our channel today.
So what we are now going to do is just keep populating everything else here. So we can actually just pick anything here. Let's say we go for videos, and then for this next section we probably look for something that people will want to see. Let's say maybe go with this, and it's going to download and add to a different sections that we have here. So this may take a bit of time because it's a video, and also depending on your internet connection, the file has been added. So should I go to the start?
Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 places you need to visit on your trip to Kenya. From stunning natural landscapes to vibrant cities and rich cultural experiences, Kenya has something for everyone. So let's get started.
So you can actually add some clips right here so that you can intertwine or just create the different effects based on what is being mentioned. All you need to do is just add some creativity. We're actually just doing this to speed up the process. Let's say we look for Masai Mara. Let's see if we have a clip on that. Hopefully there's one that we can use for this number 5 on our list. Or if we cannot get that, let's say we go with Masai. We'll probably not miss. Actually, okay, there's no Masai here. Let's see, actually there's none. Let's say lions. Sorry, my caps lock is on, so I did not notice that. And let's just give it a couple of seconds so that we see what we get. And I think it might be easier to go for images to make things easier here. This looks good. We can just pop it there. Then it's going to download for the different scenes or the scene that you've dragged it onto. Really, really awesome. And we can actually start from the beginning.
Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 places you need to visit on your trip to Kenya. From stunning natural landscapes to vibrant cities and rich cultural experiences, Kenya has something for everyone. So let's get started. Number 5 on our list is the Masai Mara National.
Now you can add text and say maybe number 1, Masai Mara, etc. Really depends on what you want. But let's try and just see if we can speed this up a little bit. Let's say we got Nairobi. Let's see if we have stock photos for Nairobi. Hopefully images. There are no stock photos for Nairobi. Hopefully, let's say we go for Kenya. Hopefully there is a photo for Kenya. Yeah, there is this, and it's famous for coffee, wildlife, and so on and so forth. So you may need to look for a photo for a city, using even sites like pexels.com to add some more cities right there. So you can actually just drop this here because that's a little bit smaller, and then that's going to be added. Make sure that it fills in the way you want it to be, and you can mix it up, and then we can go to the next scene where we go and look for something like Indian Ocean. Let's see if we have that. So we've got a couple of things here, so we can actually drag this to the coastal city of Mombasa as a representation of that, because we've got marine life, Old Town, and so on and so forth. So we can actually make sure that this fills in where we want it to fill in. And then we've got let's say something like Mount Kenya. Let's see if we have that. We don't have, so we go for mountain. And then we've got a couple of them. Just make sure that you get what depicts what you're looking for. Then we've got Mount Kenya here. Looks good, and it's good for vacationing and so on and so forth. But you can still use your own files, that is videos and pictures. So let's say you want to depict a mountain, for example Mount Kenya. You can also make some animations to these images if that's what you want. And then the final part, let's go and look for if we have Rift Valley. Not sure, I don't think so, but let's say flamingo, because we've got Lake Elementaita that has some good flamingos. You can use that to depict that particular and then just drop it there. And I've gone for the images because they're taking less time to download once we create them, and so on and so forth. So there we go, the flamingos. If you actually get some video of this, would be really, really awesome. But it looks really good. And then you can just go for maybe a summary of maybe wildlife. Let's see what we get. So let's say we go with this one for the elephant. Drop it here. So once we drop it there, it's going to populate because it's an image. But if you have good bandwidth, you can test it out with videos and see what you get. Let's just expand it a little bit, make sure it fills in, and it looks really good. So we can actually play this. It's about 1:40, and play it.
Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 places you need to visit on your trip to Kenya. From stunning natural landscapes to vibrant cities and rich cultural experiences, Kenya.
So through in here, you can actually throw in extra things like a good b-roll for a city, different things, landscape, and so on and so forth. So even adding your files, you can add them to this section. Add them right here. You can actually categorize them into folders. So if you wanted to use ChatGPT to brainstorm your script, you can use that. And then you can actually now come in here and populate your relevant content and create videos very, very fast using Descript's overdub voices. Really, really awesome. Or even your own overdub clone of, you've cloned your voice using overdub. Really awesome feature. But once you're done, so let's assume that we've got everything that we needed right here, that our video is done, is compiled, you've added everything, that is the headings, maybe the images, the b-roll, and everything that you wanted. Then all we need to do is go to publish and then go to export. And then as for the video, we can check on the settings. Let's say we want 720p or maybe even 1080p, but let's go with 720. Let's just remove the metadata, click on export, and then set where you want it to be. 5 places to visit in Kenya. Just click on save, and then it's going to start exporting your video. And depending on the length of your video, it may take a long or a short time, but hopefully this is not a big video per se. And it tells us about 2 minutes remaining for this particular video to be done, about a minute remaining. So it seems it's recalculating what is mentioned. depending on the fact that we used images in the last few sections here. But for the first section, it's because we used a video. That's why it seemed to take a little bit more time. But let's give it a couple of seconds and then we'll see the final result that we get from this particular feature, combining ChatGPT to write a script for us, and then using Descript and the overdub voices, and then using the stock videos available, but you can also use your own video. So click on open, and then we'll open the folder with the file. Just double click on it.
Hello,
And this is what it looks like.
and welcome to our channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 places you need to
It looks really, really good. But simply put, that is how you can make AI YouTube videos using ChatGPT and Descript Storyboard. Really simple and really awesome. I hope this video is of value to you. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay safe and never stop learning. Thanks for watching.